Are you looking for the top 5 best blenders you can buy in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 best blenders you can buy in 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce Countertop Blender. Ice crushing power. This 1380W high-powered countertop blender obliterates anything in its path. Its advanced airflow breaks down ice with ease while staying quiet throughout operation, making it a perfect smoothie blender or crushed ice maker. High blending capacity. With a 48 ounces shatter-resistant Tritan blending jar, the Obliterator has enough space to make shakes and smoothies for everyone. The durable construction even allows for blending hot liquids with the lid cover removed. Cover with a towel to avoid excess splatter. Auto blend. Optimize your blending without any guesswork. The auto blend function analyzes every ingredient added, customizing the blend settings for your ideal consistency every time. It's a professional blender that does the hard work for you. Intuitive controls. The dial control panel includes 5 blending speeds and a pulse option to fine-tune your blending. Presets include a countdown timer, and LED alerts notify you when you need to fix jar or add liquid. Take it to go. The Obliterator comes with a 20 ounces travel jar to enjoy shakes and smoothies wherever you go. Blend your preferred beverage and top with a sipping lid to enjoy drinks on your way to work or between sets at the gym. Number 2. 1800W Blender for Smoothies. Ultra powerful performance. Engineered with an 1800W motor and stainless steel blades reaching 28,000 revolutions per minute, powerful blender for smoothies is designed to process ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and similar ingredients smoothly. It works to create creamy smoothies, nut butters, and frozen drinks, while corrosion-resistant blades contribute to durable performance. 2-in-1 blender and grinder combo. This countertop blender for kitchen includes 2 containers, a 70-ounce pitcher for tasks like smoothies, protein shakes, nut butters, and fresh sauces, and a 20-ounce dry grinding cup for items such as spices, coffee beans, nuts, and grains. It aims to support a variety of wet and dry blending needs in one appliance. Adjustable speed with timer and pulse-take command of your textures with a smooth speed dial, a 5-minute timer for hands-free operation, and a pulse function. The Smoothie Maker allows you to customize the blending process for tasks from creating chunky sauces to silky purees, helping you achieve a wide range of results for cold recipes. Large capacity family blender effortlessly prepare nutrient-packed smoothies, creamy soups, and homemade sauces in seconds using the 70 ounces 2L pitcher, designed for 6 to 8 servings. The one-batch blending approach helps save time in the kitchen, making it suitable for daily family use, meal preparation, or serving guests. Number 3. Ninja Professional Blender 1000W. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000W BL610 is a powerful, full-size countertop blender engineered to tackle everyday blending tasks with professional-grade performance. Driven by a robust 1,000-watt motor, it uses total crushing technology to pulverize ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients in seconds, delivering consistently smooth results for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Equipped with a generous 72-ounce pitcher, this blender is ideal for family-sized batches or entertaining guests, giving you plenty of capacity without compromising on power. The pitcher and blades are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and effortless after every use. Designed with straightforward controls, the Ninja BL610 lets you adjust blending speed easily and pulses to refine texture to your liking, whether you're crushing ice for margaritas or whipping up creamy smoothies. Its sturdy construction and sleek black and gray finish make a reliable, stylish addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Countertop Smoothie Blender with 51-ounce glass pitcher. Powerful 1400W motor and 51-ounce pitcher. Equipped with a high-performance 1400W peak power motor, this smoothie blender for kitchen effortlessly crushes ice, makes protein shakes, blends frozen fruits, grinds nuts and coffee beans, making it ideal for kitchen, office, and gym. The durable 51-ounce glass jar resists odors and stains, and the large capacity is perfect for family meal preparation or friends gatherings. 2-in-1 convenience. Grinding cup and single-serve cup. Enjoy Electric Blender comes with an 8 ounces grinding cup to easily crush coffee beans, spices, and a 20 ounces portable sports cup with leak-proof lid for on-the-go shakes, ensuring versatility for kitchen and active lifestyles. Ideal for busy life and small batch recipes. 6 smart preset programs and 10+ piece speeds function. Our multi-function blender features one-touch programs for smoothie, ice crush, milkshake, juice, soup, and auto clean, plus a manual pulse mode for precise control over texture. You can easily access the vitamins and dietary fiber in fruits and vegetables. Convenient, healthy living at your fingertips. Hassle-free cleaning. All removable accessories of the professional countertop blender, the glass jar, blades, lid, and BPA-free cups are dishwasher safe. Or simply use the auto clean feature, which saves up to 2/3 of the water and makes cleaning after blending quick and effortless. Multiple safety design. The base of the kitchen blender is equipped with 4 silicone non-slip feet to keep the blender stable even when blending tough ingredients. Built-in cooling fan with air vents at the bottom provides excellent heat dissipation. Equipped with overheat protection to prolong the life of the motor, the locking lid prevents accidental startup and protects your safety. Number 5. Sangcon 1000W Smoothie Blender for Kitchen. The Sangcon 1000W Smoothie Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen essential design for fast, effortless blending. Equipped with a high-performance 1000-watt motor, it easily crushes ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients to create smooth smoothies, shakes, and sauces in seconds. This upgraded personal blender comes with 3 BPA-free cups, 24 ounces, 19 ounces, and 10 ounces, making it perfect for single-serve drinks, baby food preparation, and spice grinding. Its sharp stainless steel blades ensure consistent results, whether you're blending protein shakes, nut butters, or fresh ingredients. Compact and portable, the Sangcon blender fits seamlessly into any kitchen and is ideal for busy lifestyles. Simply blend, twist, and go. No transferring needed. Easy to clean and built for durability. This blender delivers convenience, power, and versatility for everyday healthy living.